Are you interested in transferring to UT Dallas, but you're not sure where to begin? Understanding how to manage your F1 immigration record can be confusing, but that's why we're here. Hi, I'm Sean, an immigration advisor at UT Dallas. In this video, I will walk you step by step through the process to transfer your immigration record to UTD. Let's get started. Now, when we talk about transferring to UT Dallas, there are actually two transfers that happen: the transfer of your F1 SEVIS record and the transfer of your academic record. Today, we are only talking about the transfer of your SEVIS record. For help with your academic transcripts or admission to UT Dallas, please check with the admissions office. Once you're admitted, you can start the process to get your new I-20 from UT Dallas. You will need to coordinate carefully with your current school and with UTD. First, talk to your current school about transferring your SEVIS record to UT Dallas. Your current school will need to electronically send your record to UTD so that we can create a new I-20 for you. Keep in mind, once your current school transfers your SEVIS record, they will no longer have access to make any updates or changes, and any work authorization you have through that school automatically ends. That includes things like on-campus employment, as well as CPT or OPT. Next, you need to apply for your UT Dallas I-20 through the Icomet portal. Go to icomet.utdallas.edu and log in with your NetID and password. Once you're logged in, click on Prospective Students and then choose New F1 Admit. You will see there are two steps. You need to complete all of the e-forms under Step 1 to apply for your UTD I-20. You will need to provide some information about yourself and upload some documents with your application. You will need a copy of your passport, a signed copy of the UT Dallas Financial Affidavit form, and copies of your financial support documents. Once you submit your documents, a UT Dallas immigration advisor will review your application. We will send you an email as soon as it's been processed. Please check your UT Dallas email for updates. Now, you'll notice there are two steps left on our checklist, and they both involve receiving an I-20. As an F1 transfer student, you will actually get two I-20s. First, you get your transfer pending I-20, which says you are going to be an F1 student at UT Dallas, but you're not here yet. Once your starting semester arrives, you will need to complete the new student check-in process in Icomet by completing the mandatory F1 status workshop and completing the new student check-in e-form. Then, the ISSO advisor will register your SEVIS record as active with UT Dallas, and we will issue the transfer complete I-20. I know that's a little confusing, so let me say it again. You will receive two I-20s, your transfer pending I-20 before you arrive at UT Dallas, and your transfer complete I-20 after you arrive, register for classes, and complete the new student check-in requirements. And that's all the steps to transfer your immigration record to UT Dallas. Pretty easy, right? I do have one extra tip that can help you with the transfer process. Students often ask me, when should I request my transfer? When managing your immigration status, timing is everything. Typically, students transfer between schools between semesters. For example, you might finish the spring semester at your current school and transfer to UT Dallas for the fall semester. The date your SEVIS record officially transfers from your old school to the new school is called the transfer release date. Keep in mind, after your transfer release date, any work authorization with your old school will automatically end. That includes on-campus work, CPT, and OPT authorizations. You can begin working on campus at UT Dallas up to 30 days before your program start date with UTD. Thanks for watching. If you have any immigration questions, the UT Dallas ISSO advisors are here to help you. Check out our website for our current advising services and availability. We can't wait to hear from you.